If a woman don't walk in your crib and notice the things that you need, if she walk in your crib and your crib like disorganized and not clean a little bit, and she don't clean your crib, she ain't the one for you. She is not the one. If she don't come in the crib and wash your clothes, fold your clothes, she is not feminine enough. I don't want her. If I'm sick and she can't tell me or try to heal me back to life with her affection, with her love, with tea, with food, I do not want her. She is not it.
There are a lot of men out there that want exactly what it is that he's describing. They want the kind of woman that cares for them, much like how their mother did. Take care of them when they're sick, nurse them back to health, anything that needs to be done around the house. They want her to hop right into that domestic role. My only issue is what I feel like some men are missing is a term in Latin terminology called quid pro quo. That means something for something. A lot of the men that want this kind of thing want it in exchange for nothing. They want you to split bills with them and all of that, but they don't want to actually do anything for you. Now, had I jumped on the internet and said, you know what, ladies? If your man walks into your house after he has passed your lawn, which is out of control, doesn't go to the garage and start, getting out the lawnmower and cutting your grass, if he doesn't drag the trash can back from the curb to the side of the house, if he goes into your fridge to get a bottle of water and realizes there's no groceries, he doesn't immediately fill your fridge up and all your cabinets, girl, let him go. If your man grabs your hand and notices that your nails are not done, he doesn't immediately hand you nail money, girl, cut him loose. It's over for him. They would be on the internet scratching, crying, throwing up, sliding down the wall, fighting the air because they're like, man, you always want something. So do you. Quid pro quo. Something for something. But a lot of y'all, all you want to offer women is pickle juice. I think what more people need to realize about dating is that a healthy relationship is a reciprocal one. A relationship of give and take. You can't always be the one doing all the taking. Or they're quick to tell you what all they want. She got to cook. She got to clean. She got to do laundry. She got to take care of the kids. She got to take care of me when I sit. They have a laundry list of all the things they need you to do. But as soon as you say, and then what are you going to do? That's when they get on some, what? Nobody's doing all that for you in exchange for nothing. I don't know what makes some of these men think that all they have to do is just be the man and be there, and that's enough. What are you willing to offer her? Like, a woman will do all those things for you, and gladly so, if you're treating her well as well. Some men only have a list of what they want, but they don't have a list of what they're offering.